What's good, YouTube? It's Myke here. Long time no see. It's been about exactly a year since my last upload, but it's 2020. It's a new year. I plan on bringing this channel back as I kind of have more time for myself now. I wish I could, just upload all the time, but life happened. But that ain't gonna stop me. It's 2020. It's a new year. It's a fresh new start. So I plan on, bringing back this channel. And of course, it's kind of weird to kind of see a barber video, just because all my other videos are about shoes. But I'm just throwing that out right now. I'm into shoes and I like to cut hair. So that's probably what this channel is going to be about. It's a little heads up. If you're new here, welcome. If you're coming back from my old videos, what's good? How you been? Excited to come back. And I know this video might be kind of shitty because it's my first video. I don't want to call this a tutorial. I want to call this just kind of like I don't know what to call it, to be honest, but it's definitely not a tutorial. It's just me cutting hair, and of course it has the steps on it, but it's not really an in-depth tutorial. Kind of just demonstrating, kind of to start off. It's my first video, so like I said, it's not the best. My angles are kind of shitty, like right here where I'm covering the camera a lot, but I did move it on. I was kind of just learning along the way. Like I said, it's my first barber video like this. So it was a little bit difficult at first as far as the angles and just getting the perfect shot and the perfect contrast, because the camera just wasn't picking up the blend. In short words, I had to set up a certain amount of contrast and this and that to actually look. I just feel like the haircut just looks so much better in person. So if it looks all right in this video, that's my explanation right there, man. But I'm not gonna be talking too much. I'm just gonna let you guys just watch the video. I'll probably just have a part where you guys might be a little bit confused or something. I'll probably just talk over it, but man, just enjoy the video. I'm gonna sit back, and here it is. Adjusting the contrast, you could definitely see more of the blend now, a lot more darker. I'm telling you, the ring light was just too bright, and different angles, it just looks kind of weird. So just a disclaimer real quick, man. This part is one of the hardest parts, man, to be honest. Z-cups, most difficult, man. You gotta be patient with it. And like you guys can see, just using the corner of the trimmer. It's all about patience. You can't rush the quality. If you guys enjoy this type of content, guys like tutorials and all that, man, like it and comment down below and let me know what kind of videos you guys want, and I promise I'll be more consistent, put more content out there. I get a lot of people asking me when am I gonna upload again, this and that, and I've also got a lot of people just asking me for tutorials on haircuts. Obviously, people who know me personally, of course, YouTube doesn't know that side of me now until now. But people were always asking me to do tutorials on how to cut hair and all that. So I was like, fuck it, why not? If you guys want to follow me on social media, my Instagram, my Snapchat, so greatly appreciate it. It goes a long way. Appreciate all the support. Why I'm in a bathroom? This is the type of house where, you know, somebody calls me up and I just go to their house and post up and I give them their haircut. You know, it doesn't have to be in a bathroom. If you got a nice living room or something, preferably not being carpet. It's easier to get the hair, you know, it's easier for both of us. So yeah, this is just one of my favorite clients who just likes house calls.
I think it's pretty evident that the hat works, the bowl that does not have Barber.
You guys hear this fucking this angle, it's not really super in-depth. It's kind of just like a time lapse, just so you guys can see the fade just come together. I decided to just record one side. Really detailed. These are just a lot faster, man. Just enjoy the blend come together slowly and smoothly. Man, I really personally just love this job for how satisfying it is to work on, you know, everybody's hair. There's all kinds of hair everywhere, all kinds of types of textures, all kinds of people, all kinds of styles, man. I think it's just a really fun job. For anyone, you know, considering being a barber, I highly recommend it. For me, it was more of a side hustle when I was in high school, and then all of a sudden it just became basically my career. So it is also why I slowed down on the shoe videos and all that. I was away for a while. I've been working at a shop. Things have been pretty decent, pretty good. But like I said, it's 2020 and I really want to get back into this YouTube thing because everybody who knows me personally knows I just enjoy this type of stuff, man. It's just the names to all my social medias. If you guys want to go show some love, follow me, add me and all that. Anyone got questions, anyone want an appointment or whatever, you know, hit me up on any of those. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Appreciate the support. Right here, I'm just using some hair fibers. What it does, it really just enhances the lineup. And no, this doesn't mean that the lineup washes off or whatever. I get this a lot. It doesn't just like wash off and disappear, man. Like obviously the fibers do come off, but they're not meant to, you know, paint on a hairline. They're meant to just enhance it. So what I like to do, you know, I want to make sure that the hairline is crispy, you know, underneath all the fibers. You know, the hair is naturally just crispy. This just adds a little bit more color to the, you know, sharper look. That's really all it is, man. It's nothing too crazy. I'm telling you, I get people who like freak out over this stuff, like, yo, what the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? I don't want my hairline painted. It's not painted, it just makes it look nice, man. And everybody who I try it on, they're always like afraid at first, and next time they come back, they request it, you know. It's just the small details as a barber. I'm telling you, this job is pretty fun, you know. Having your happy clientele, it's the best thing you could have as a barber, man. I'm telling you, invest in yourself, invest in your business, and I promise you that the people will just continue to come back. I want to shout out Twinkie, the guy in the video. Yo, man, shout out to this guy for, you know, allowing to be my first, you know, my test dummy. My first YouTube video, man. Much love to you. Really close homie, man. Here's the results.
Bro, what the fuck is that noise?
You know, nice beard. Nice fade. You know, nice top. Look at that. Just blended. It's a crispy cut, man. I'm telling you. Camera wasn't doing the angle right. The lighting was off. And, you know, I focused on a little bit. You guys can see that nice gradiency in there. Yo, man, thank you guys for watching this video. I'm telling you, this video looks kind of, shitty or whatever. It's my first time. This is a lot harder than it looks like to record these type of videos, man. So I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, man. Appreciate all the love. And I promise I'm going to be more, more consistent. I know I say that on all my videos, but fuck, man, I mean it this time.